Hello guys, it's been a few days since I last live stream. I was out of city. Let's let's just hop right into the charts. Okay, this is the US100 chart and daily time frame. Let us zoom it out a little bit. As you can see, these can be our bullish high targets, buy targets, and this is our low targets. This, but on a longer time frame, not today. Today the candle seems to be going down strong. It these bearish candles has to do with the Iran-Israel war, so you have to be a little careful. Its main sell side target could be here at 21,454. This is the previous day high and the previous day low. Let's drop down to 4 hours. The 4 hours also looks bearish. It did take the sell side liquidity at this low at 21,525. Now its main target could be here 458, 454, and then this. Let's drop down to the 1 hour. The 1 hour also seems to be going down strongly. So we can put this as a sell side target hour. Let's go down to the 15 minutes. That's a very strong bearish candle. It's about to close in 1 minute. If it closes like that, we can easily take a sell. Let's drop down to the 1 minute. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart. Clearly dropped all the way down here. Our target is 21,454. First target. So let's see if we can find a trade till then. We'll probably come up till here before going down, I think. Let's just wait now. The 50-minute candle has closed. It has closed bearish, very bearish. So let's see if we can find a good trade, a good setup. Whoa, that was fast. There is a lot of volatility. Have another market structure shift here. This will also be an FEG. It hasn't taken our target trade yet, but now to be honest, it's hard to find a good SL. What we can do is target down here at 438. Five, five, three. 496. I want to take a trade at least 480. It just can really give me an entry. So let's just wait for it. It has taken the first liquidity target at 454. Right here. Also, it has taken this as well. Only at 358 it's left. So on the fourth horse chart, 440. It has taken a lot of sell side liquidity now. Its next target, if it goes down, could be 21360. Let's get this out of the way. I wanted to take a trade, but it did not wait for me or give any type in the FVG and went there without me. Sometimes it happens. It's okay. So let's see if we can find a trade today. If I can find a trade till 465, I'll take a sell. Because I don't think it's gonna go up that rapidly. This will go as a FVG has been formed. This is 465 is to be honest. So let's wait for it. I'm waiting for it. I want to take a trade till here. It has taken a lot of sell-side liquidity, but with recent current events in mind that's going on in the world with Israel and Iran, that's what actually I think that's fundamentally is driving the price down now. And this also looks very bearish. So I think, but even if it doesn't go crash a lot, it's still gonna take this low. So I'm gonna wait till I find a good entry so I can target this low. I may not, that's fine, it's okay, but I'm gonna just wait for it. It's coming up again. Let's see if we can find a good entry. I want to sell probably till here. We'll wait for it to give me a good entry. Still waiting for it. Let's see. Want to take a sell from upper end of this FEG from here till here. So my sell is above, way above here. Now I'll be taking a sell. My sell is going to be here. This chart has very, what can you say, bad alpha. And my TP is gonna be here. Let's see. I'm going a little against our strategy right now because normally when the one side liquidity is taken, we take the trades in the opposite direction. A lot of sell side is taken, but I'm still bearish for the price. Let's see. Let's get this out of the way. Uh, Approximately 2 minutes 30 seconds until the 1 hour candle closes. The 1 hour candle is about to close. 5 minutes and 30 seconds left for to close. We wait for the close. Let's see the close. Now last candle. Let's see how the last candle is. Price has made a old very tiny FUG over here. Like in normal conditions, you will be buying in this situation. Market started shift and FUG and sell liquidity being taken. But since what's going on in the world and the price, I want to sell. I still think it could go down more. 10 seconds left now. It has closed third FUG. This is the one. The one has closed bearish. I'm gonna wait for it. If you look at the 1 hour, this could be its next target at 21,357. But I think it has to take another dip down below this low, which is my TP, because price doesn't just do this, just sweep the liquidity and just run up all in one candle. It almost 90% of the time price does retest it, price does again take the go to the liquidity level. So the chance of it taking that is very high. Let's just wait for it. If it goes a little down here and makes a bearish FUG, I'm gonna pull myself down here. If it takes this low, I'm gonna pull myself till here. Still, I'm gonna wait for it. The 15-minute looks good to be honest. It also closed bearish. Wait for it. Our SL could hit it. For now, our SL is a little above. No, it's actually down below 1%. I'm currently trading at a 100K paper trading account. I only show my results through a paper trading account. I do trade live. So let's just wait and see. Come on, man. Let's just go down. Hmm. We're back at break even again. I still hold, it doesn't matter. Gonna wait for it. Hmm. Kind of sleepy. Doing drawdown. There's also another bullish FEG here. Kind of it looks to be going strong on the bullish side, but I'll still wait for it. I don't want to close my trade. The higher time frame is all bearish. But to be honest, I think price could hit my hustle because there's an FEG has been made here. This is the 15 minutes. Maybe it wants to go tap into the bullish bearish FEG before going down. That is a chance, to be honest. Like here too. So it could happen. I think it has made a tiny, tiny FEG here. Doesn't really matter. This bearish FEG is still untapped. It could hit it before going down. So this one. Let's see if it goes down after tapping this FVG. It will be a good sign. It did come down a little, get a lot wick, a long wick, and then pulled back again. Just wait and see. Here's a bullish untapped FVG here. I think it has tapped into that FVG. Yes, it has. I don't want to see another bullish FVG here in place. So we're gonna wait for it. Let's see how price reacts to the bullish FVG here. There's also an FVG, untapped bearish FVG over here. I'm gonna wait. Let's look at the 15 minutes. Almost 2 minutes left for the 15 minutes to close. I want this candle to make a bearish FVG, because if not, price could go out to our asset with retesting this FVG and then go down. So I'm gonna wait for it. 2 minutes left. Price has failed this effigy halfway through. I want price to make an effigy on 15-minute bearish effigy. That would be a good indication. Last candle. Okay, price has made a bearish effigy. To be honest, our SL can be hit. We are right, but if price hits this, wants to tap into this effigy before going down, then we're in the wrong place. I'm still gonna wait for it. Honestly, I mean, I'm not gonna put. I'm not over leveraging or anything. It's a small loss. We're in a lot of drawdown. I'm still gonna wait for it. It has filled this effigy completely. To the lower end, there is also a gap there. It might want to hit there. Still, I'm gonna wait. It also tapped into the 15-minute bearish effigy right here. I want it to go down. The momentum. If there's any chance of it hitting a TP, you know, maybe we should have waited for a sell around 10:50, 10:45. Maybe it's gonna go out, tab in red, higher time frame FEG, and then gonna crash. But I do know that the chances of it going here again are very high. I don't really like the price action over here. I want it to like crash down with momentum. More momentum, I would say. If it breaks this low here, that would be a great sign. There's also a bullish FEG down here. Want to see it pass right through it. Well, that was shocking. Right, straight up, all that big show. Price has made a bearish FEG here. It's not that, what you can say, important. It has also, you can say, kind of taken a microstructure shift here. Price is being very volatile. Volatility can be expected due to current conditions. We're still in a lot of drawdown. Price is still moving up. Now it has tapped into this FEG as well. Can't really say much now. It could hit a vessel. There's a very big possibility of that. I'm still not gonna be closing my trade. I might close it when I see the 15-minute close. So I'm gonna wait for that. It's gonna happen in 3 minutes. So let's see if we're gonna be in a position in 3 minutes or not. Hmm. SL about to hit. Oh, that was a strong rejection. Still not strong enough. Let's wait. I want to see how does the 50-minute close. So I'm just gonna wait for it. Even if it hits my SL, it's okay to be honest. We're still in 1353 profit right now. 1 minute left for that 15-minute candle to close. We don't want it to violate the FEG right here. If it does, I might close the trade. If if I'm in a trade until then, I think it's gonna hit my SL before that. 40 seconds left, and SL hit. It's okay. Things like that happen. It has tapped into the refugee over here. Now I'm gonna wait for it. If it gives me a sell around 1050, that's what I'll be waiting for. I, as I've said before, I don't want to take a trade between 1030 to 1045. Now it has hit the 15 minutes and also the refugee are here. I'm gonna wait till 10:45 and then see if I can find a trade. I only allow myself two trades. Man, it just hit our SL and then came crashing down. That that kind of hurts. So I'm gonna wait for it. I don't like to take a trade between this 10:30 to 10:45. A lot of manipulation happens between this time frame. So I'm gonna wait till 10:45 and then see if I can find another trade. I'm just gonna have to wait for it. Still gonna be waiting for it. Most of trading is just waiting. Most of your ability to trade depends whether if you have patience or not. If you can just sit doing nothing, or else you're gonna be running in all kinds of bad trades. I'll wait till 10:45 and then see if I can find another trade. It looks good in the 15 minutes. If this candle closes bearish, then we can take a sell. Looks good on the 1 hour, 2. For now, we'll have to wait for it. The 15 minutes from 10:30 to 10:45 were very unpredictable. A lot of manipulation happens during this time. If you can find a sell around 460 when time 45 comes, you can target here at 21,416. That's some good trade, but let's wait for it till 10:45 and then see. It's pumping very rapidly. There is volatility today because of what's happening around the world with Iran and Israel. With 5 minutes left now. Also, let's see how does this 15-minute candle closes. And and then if you can find our setup on around only 1 minute left approximately for this 15-minute candle to close. If it closes that bearish, we can target this low here. Put our sell above here probably. Here. Here is better. 45. I'll wait for an entry around 460 before doing anything. It's going strong. Okay, that's a strong bearish close. Let's go down to the 1 minute and see if we can find an entry. I want to sell around 21460. I'm currently trading at a 100k account. You shouldn't risk more than 1% of your account. Okay, we're in my trade now. Answer will be here. My TP would be here. Now I'm gonna wait and see. My sell is around 0.7%. It looks good in the 15 minutes. Let's see. Price is very volatile right now. If it breaks this low over here, I'm gonna drag myself a little down. The higher time frame is good. Still gonna be holding out this trade. I can take a full SL over here, but I think if it breaks over here, it can also break over here. So that won't be any need. I just like to keep my SL below 1%. Currently it's at 0.7%. There's only 10 minutes left for that one or candle to close. It has taken the sell side over here and here. Its next target could be here at 21,358. So I'm just gonna have to wait for it and see what happens. There is an untapped bearish effigy right here. Honestly, the 15 minutes candle is still being good. Might hit a wrestle, but it's okay. I'm gonna hold out the trade. Honestly, I want to see the 1 hour candle close red or black in on my chart. As you can see, I wanted to close bearish and then drop down here. So we're gonna have to see, wait and see how does the 1 hour close. Because if the 1 hour doesn't do that, there will be a big chance that it's gonna go up there and tap into that bullish FEG. It has hit RSL. We are in a little bit of drawdown for the month. Lost two trades today. That's it for today. I don't take more than two trades in a day. So until I see you next time, take care.